And here we go, the old jet ski towing the boat in. Lady Cat behind the helm. Nobody on the boat, though, which is a little bit of a strange one. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting 79th Street. I mean, she's taking a nice, good slow roll approach on this one. It's just weird to not see anybody on the boat. So, I mean, I don't understand, I guess. Like, they didn't break down on the water with somebody on the boat, or did she just leave him at the sandbar and bring the boat? Like, the guy on the dock looks like he's waiting for her, though, so maybe somebody ran him back and then just went back for the boat. She's got a great approach, and this one's a little bit of a tough one, especially on a jet ski, because the boat weighs so much more than you that it gets a little difficult to control sometimes. And here's where things get really difficult. She's not going to be able to stop the boat, and it's going to creep up on her. But our guy is going to grab it and help her out. And she should be good. It looks like they're on. And we got our next crew coming in, which is going to be a jet boat. And let's see if our crew can match our girl on the ski and land it. So, taking the slow roll approach, we've got fenders out on both sides, so we're good either which way, but probably should have put both those fenders on whichever side we were going to dock on. Cat makes his approach, kind of off on the angle. It looks like the wind and currents grabbed him just a little bit, and he's going to have to back out. Gets the stern kicked around. Looks like he has it lined up. And the bow is kicking out, so he's lost his guy on the bow who's going to go for the grab. Cap leaves the helm, attempting to grab. And no, I think we're still... Oh, gotta watch out for this other boat as well. That was close. So they sneak out around him. And Cap's going to have to try and line this one up again. He's just gotten all mixed up. There's a little bump of throttle, trying to get around. Oh, coming in hot. Probably going to have to brake check this one. And there's the brake check. Bow in. And he's going to kick the stern out again. Come in steep bow in this time. You got it, Cap. And goes for the pole grab. But we don't have a pole. Watch your hand in between the boat and the dock. Ooh, that's a low grab. I don't like seeing that. He gets out of the way in time. Cap leaves the helm. But they should be good. And they're on. And here comes our next crew working their way toward the dock. Fender out again. We've got somebody on the ready up front. Oh, coming in a little hot, Cap. And he's going to have to get the push off. But the stern's kicking around. The bow's going to kick out. And he's got to watch out because that ladder's down too. So he's got the prop turned toward the ladder. And they finally get the hold on. And it looks like we got a grab and go, and they're going to be on their way out. Our guy's been trying to power load this for a few minutes now, and he's just not like, oh. So I guess he had his guy try and move the truck forward a little bit. But you could tell he's kind of just set it in a bad spot. I think he's missed the front bunk. And he's just trying to rock it into the right area. And there we go. He's going to back off. Try and reapproach this. And man, he is all over these guideposts. Look at how far out they're bent. My man has worked these things over. Oh, careful. Our guy's sliding down the ramp a little bit, trying to get it pushed over. See if you can get the boat centered on that guide bunk in the middle. And there we go. It looks like it fell on. My man hits the throttle. Look out, incoming. And he's trying to work it up. I would, if you guys got it on, boys, I would just winch this thing up. You've done enough with the motors. And it looks like that's going to be the plan. He's going to trim this out. And man, it looks like it just went sideways on him again. But they're going to winch it up, and they're going to call it a day from there. Now, for those of you who are not overly familiar with South Florida weather, it literally can go from a beautiful sunny day to this in 15 minutes. And that's pretty much what we've had happen here today. So our crew's coming back in, got the slow roll approach. That's the crazy part. There's people around the dock here. We actually just watched somebody launch in this. They launched. So here in Florida, they don't really care, but they also know the same thing. This probably will only last for 15 to 20 minutes. And then it'll be beautiful and sunny again. So Cap is making the slow roll approach. Got Wifey kind of on the ready. She's going to come over, go for the grab. I don't see a line in her hand. But it's tough to see much here. So Cap lines it up. And she does, it looks like maybe she does have a line. Cap's trying to hold the pole. But they're moving backwards. There's not that much wind and current. He's got to be in gear still. Yep, and the light bulb goes off. He goes up, pull the boat out of gear. But that one's, I mean, on a day like today, all he was thinking about was trying to get in on the dock and probably just easily forgot about that. But they should be good to go from here, and we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.